Hey guys, in this one, I will be unboxing a new chainsaw that I purchased on eBay. I tried to be real selective in spending my money. Some of these chainsaws are pretty expensive, as you know, so let's hope we get a winner. But anyway, let's check out what we got. Thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, let's open these up. So we got. This is 1, 2, 3 boxes, but this is one package together. See, that's just how they shipped it. Let me know what you guys think, because we're gonna give them. You know, I want you to help me rate this purchase. It's kind of fun, and you know. I don't know. I think it's a good attempt, but I think it's kind of ugly. Like, this is all, you know, whatever, but let's open this thing up and see what kind of chainsaw we got. And this is a used chainsaw off eBay. So with eBay, you know, like Forrest Gump would say, you never know what you're gonna get. You never do know. Are you gonna get scammed? Are you gonna get an amazing thing? Are you gonna get a saw with rebuilt Chinese parts? They use a lot of foam. That's cool. And the reason they shipped it like this, hopefully you guys can see. Let's see. Yeah, you guys can see. The reason they shipped it is because it came with a bar. So that's the first part there. Let's get into the second part. Guys, a shot of it. It's a Husqvarna, guys. Nice. See what we got. Let's unwrap it. Oh, that's cool. Wasn't even nothing. I guess it was just to protect this bar back here. All right, here's the bar. I think it's 28 inch. Pretty dirty. Pretty used. Chipped up. Cracked. I already knew it was cracked, so no big deal. Maybe still usable, but it looks pretty worn. But no big deal. We'll have a spare. A spare Sugahara. So let's see. So that's that, and then let's dig in the saw. Use some weird foam. Pretty good foam though. And they have a chain down here, duct tape. It looks like a steel chain. Yeah, look at this, guys. If you guys can see, that driver's like smooth. So probably gonna need a sprocket if they were using this chain, but That's just me guessing. This chain might be salvageable. The drivers on it are horrible. I might be able to file them out though. See, I'll show you an example. I'm not really worried about the chain. I'm just showing you guys. So the driver, not very sharp. That's like smoothed over. So it is what it is. I'm not worried about a chain. It is cool they included it, but all right, so let's see what we got. Ooh, what is it? Let me move this box and I'll show you. Move you guys closer. So, we got a ported from Johnston, which I am a subscriber on YouTube. He is on YouTube. So I guess he ported this saw and that's what we got. They drilled some holes in that. I don't really care for that, but oh well. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. The muffler, these mufflers they're not that strong anyway. So they're all, you know, if you use them, they all kind of get smashed up. Looks like they welded it, so it'll probably still work. Maybe we'll build a pipe for it anyway. You know, it looks like it was used pretty, I'd say pretty dirty, but that's nothing we can't clean. Let's check the air filter. Air filter doesn't look horrible, but doesn't look the inside looks clean. That's good. Air filter doesn't look that dirty, guys. Just a quick blowout, probably be good. The cylinder looks a little discolored, but that's all right. Probably just dirty. It looks like it had some, like they did some stuff to the fin. Let's check the spark plug on her, just to do it. Where's my other? Kind of tight on there, but tight is all right. Stripped is no good. Yeah, it says 10-8-24 JPC. Johnston Performance Chainsaw. 10-8-24. I'm just being careful with it. It doesn't. Spark plug looks good, guys. Cardboard color. Light's not working. Can't see nothing in there. So if you can't see nothing in there, does that mean it's good? I don't know, right? Who knows? Snug it up. I don't put it on too tight. Yeah, everything seems to be looking pretty good. It definitely needs cleaned up. Let's see if it has any. Did they ship it with gas? Yep, shipped it with gas. It's not what I would do, but who am I? Just some guy on YouTube, guys. Probably needs a new little sticker. I'll probably get a new sticker for it. Got a little bit of oil in there. Not bad. Alright, let's see. How did it look on this? Yeah, it looks like the case is good. Sometimes they can crack up there. Well, yeah, it looks good. Let's pull it over. Seems like it has some compression, guys, which is good. Let me pull it over here. I'm not gonna start it because it's late at night. Seems pretty good, huh? It's really, people are like, oh, they're kind of heavy. They're really not that bad, dude. I mean, it's heavy, but it's not that much heavier than my Dolma. So I like it. I've never used one, but I do like them. And we got one. So yeah, let's take a peek at this here. Bring it in. Chewed up a tad here. No biggie. Sprockets chewed up, but not horrible. Weird, they got some weird smelling oil. It's like almost, it's almost like motor oil smelling. Seems nice. Oops. Chain, you definitely threw a chain. Probably that old bar. Threw a chain on it. Off it. But I mean, it happens. You throw chains and tear stuff up. It's a chainsaw. Probably needs a new, I think that's broke. Needs a new little plate. All little things, guys. You could run that, it doesn't matter. It's whatever. Captured bar nuts. It's pretty nice. Would be nice to have the bigger, that they make a bigger cover. But I don't think the bigger covers have the captured bar nuts, but yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice, just needs cleaned up. I'm liking it. I don't know, let's see. Thing's on there, dude. Trying to be careful so I don't break it. Gosh, it's like this thing is bending. Oh man, come on, dude. Too tight. Tighten it up a little bit. Give it a little hammer. Too tight, dude. You don't have to put it on that tight. I mean, if you guys want to put it on that tight, you can, but I'm not. See, what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of Loctite on them. Muffler looks good in there. It's just thin metal. That's why they blow out right there. No harm, no foul. Let's see what we got inside here, guys. See if it's... See if it's worth anything. Let's prop you up on some foam. We got some free foam. Where'd the foam go? We got some free foam, so alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna hit the light. Alright, there she is. It's a little dirty in there. That's alright, right? But let's look. Push the compression. Oh, there's a little bit of wear on the intake side. But overall, it looks pretty good to me. Let's give it a feel. Yeah, I can't feel nothing. Feels good. It feels, there's oil on it, so that's good. They definitely did some work to I mean, they ported it, so to be expected. It's not smooth, but there is a little buildup on it, if you can see, because it's not smooth, but that's all right. It'll do the trick. All right, let's put the muffler back on, and then I'll probably do that off camera, and then we'll give it a start. We'll give it a start tomorrow and see what we got when we crank it. All right, we got the muffler back on. I'm gonna start it, and then I'll probably you know, tighten it a little bit once stuff is warm. But if you're wondering how tight those were, you know, and you think, oh, you know, you're skinny and weak, you know, there you go. That's how tight it was. So ruined that tool. Gotta buy a new one. All right, guys, gassed it up. It's the following day. I did notice this in here. It looks kind of like a ground wire or something, but it looks like it's cut. So let me know if you guys know anything about that, or it doesn't look like that should be there, but I'm not crazy familiar with these. But anyway, give it a prime. She's primed, and we'll give it a start. I'm not going to do any cutting today, just because I'm behind with some work, and just got to do some catching up. But I'll have a future video on it. No problem at all. Let's get this thing cranking. Start. Stop. Pretty cool. Pretty easy. I like that. All right, no decomp. motor oil for the bar oil in there, and it smells. But runs good. What was that? Three pulls. Starts right up. You know, I like it. 90cc saw, so it's really not that heavy to me. But maybe I'm just used to my Vita and stuff. Maybe all day it'll be annoying, but seems like it has some power. Idling good. I'm gonna let it run for a couple more minutes and I'll shut it off. But yeah, success, guys. Alright, then I noticed around here the suspension kind of clicks. Let me know, do you guys have that problem? I might just need new springs or something, but it's not that annoying, but it is what it is. I'd say overall, money well spent, and we got a solid saw to build from. Now all I have to do is make a test cut, video testing it out. There is a big oak tree that fell down. Hopefully it's at a church. Hopefully it looks like someone was cutting on it and then they stopped. So I might try to call up the church and do do some firewood hunting over there with the 592 and see how she rips. So wish me luck, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and definitely subscribe, like, and share, and do what you guys do, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.